This is the Seguma portable Tesla charger. I just picked this Tesla charger up just to keep it in my vehicle, so if I want to charge outside of my home, I could do it. I have the Tesla charger that came with the vehicle connected in my garage with the 1450 connection, where it's the faster connection. This one here is just the standard connection right here. It's gonna go in any outlet. It does have another hookup in here. I didn't use that one. Why I chose this one is because it's got a longer cord. It's 25 feet long. Most of them were 20 feet, so that's the reason I picked this one. It's got the same setup just like the normal Tesla charger. When you have it plugged in, you go up to the car. It just opens up when you push the button. Just charges like the normal one. What's nice about this one, it has a light in here that shows you when it's charging. But I've used this probably about 6 times so far. Had no issues with it at all. It charges probably about 4 miles per hour, so it is a very slow charge. But you could still get a good charge if you need to, or if you I like to have it in my car just for peace of mind. This is the case that it comes with right here. The cables fit in here really nicely. It just stores in the trunk of the car with no issues. And like I said, this is a really great item to have just for a backup, or if you're replacing your normal Tesla charger, I would absolutely pick this up. But again, it's the Seguma Tesla charger 25-foot cord.